I'm going to go ahead and saute some turkey bacon in a preheated pan here. You could use regular bacon, but I love this turkey bacon. It's delicious and it's low in calories. My turkey bacon is starting to get some color on it. I'm going to add in 1 diced onion. My onions are starting to soften and get a little brown. This is smelling delicious. I'm going to add in half of a cubed sweet potato. I'm just going to quickly toss them with some spices. I like a little bit of cumin and a little bit of garlic powder here. I'm going to cover this on medium heat and leave it for about 5 minutes. I've got some nice tender sweet potatoes, onions, and bacon with some color. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 big handfuls of chopped kale. I'm going to season that with salt and pepper. I'm just going to cover this for 1 more minute and let that kale wilt a little bit. This is smelling fantastic. I've made 3 little nests in there, and I'm just going to crack an egg into each individual nest. My eggs are in. I'm just going to cover that one last time and let those cook off just for 2 minutes or so, and this will be ready to serve. And after a couple minutes, your eggs should be nicely cooked just like so, and we're just going to serve this up.